You know what Sundays are for? They're for resetting and planning the week ahead. But Sunday's not meant to feel like a chore. It's not meant to feel like something that is a litany of to dos. It is a day to start with movement, and we will plan our week out effectively. I always start my Sundays with moving my body. I am going to be doing full body exercises today and core, yuck. But if I want my abs to stay, I have to put in the time and energy and effort. So, whatever it is you need to do to move your body, I strongly suggest that you start your Sundays with that. Once I get dressed and am ready to go, I make my way to my she shed. I have said it time and time again. If you can create a space, even a corner in your home that is unique for you, this is a place where you can go and get your mind right for the day, but then also your mind ready for the week. So, quiet time, definitely drinking coffee, journaling, Bible study. Here I am getting ready to program my Peloton workouts for today, and we're gonna do a Just Sims full body and see how it goes.
Follow along with me on your movement tracker, and things are going to get really, really good because you're going to get credit for everything you do. Up, inhale down, exhale as you stand and squeeze. Y'all, I'm living my best life up here. Hey, down and up, come on. Good. In 15 seconds, we're going back to those jumping jacks. If it's too much to hold this dumbbell here, hold it in the suitcase position. Something for everyone, okay? Keep going. We renegade row in 4, 3, 2, at the load. Kristen Shelton, 600 and your birthday, let's get it. All so simple. Excellent work today.
I didn't film myself cooking, but this is my quick 30-minute meal prep for the week. It is not extensive, y'all. This is pre-seasoned Trader Joe's chicken with some vegetables that I sauteed, and then I've added some hummus, some olives, and a little garlic spread in the containers so that I am good for the week. Next is going to be my weekly preview, and if there is one thing I am a firm believer in, it is definitely planning out the week ahead of me. I have a full video on how I plan my day. I also have a full video on how I plan my week. But pretty much in a nutshell, I like to map out what's in front of me. I spend some time and energy identifying my to-dos for the week. You will see in my other video that I get extensively into time blocking. And then I reflect, y'all. I look back on what I said I was going to do and see did I accomplish it and what adjustments need to be made. But definitely have time to plan your week. It's worth it. So normally after I work out, we go to church, and that is what we do 80-90% of the time. This is my husband's birthday today, so we're actually having family over, so we have some things that we've got to take care of today, at least I do, but I think this is a good time to mention with the reset. If the reset is the reset and that's embedded in your routine, even when you have things that pop up like today that may throw me a little bit outside of what I normally would be doing, the routine is established. So I'm actually on my way to Trader Joe's. I did not go yesterday, which I do normally do on Saturday. I don't grocery shop on Sundays. I grocery shop on Saturdays. But yesterday, a couple of things. You guys know, I think if you watch my videos, I'm in a sorority, and so I'm over an initiative where we work with students, and so I have that initiative that was yesterday, so I have to go to the library and volunteer for a couple of hours with the kids. And then yesterday was Friendsgiving with some of my friends and former co-workers, and so we also had that. So this has been a really busy weekend, which is why having a strong Sunday reset is so critical. So I'm gonna go to the store, pick up some of my essentials. I am living on the edge of danger because it is 11 o'clock and the game starts at noon. So when I say I'm in and out of Trader Joe's, I'm in and out of Trader Joe's. So I ran into Walmart real quick. I hate Walmart, like I do, for so many reasons. I'm gonna insert a picture of just one of the many reasons why I dislike Walmart. Yeah, the picture says everything why I don't like Walmart. But the reason I went to Walmart is because I have these, and you may have seen my previous videos, I'll eat these English muffins sometimes for breakfast. And I want the multi-grain. They only sell them at Walmart. Like, they don't sell them in H-E-B, they don't sell them at Kroger, they don't sell them any place other than Walmart. And they don't even sell them at all the Walmarts. They just sell them at the Walmart by my house. Because the Walmart by my job is kind of in the hood. And they don't sell the multi-grain version. So I have to come here to get these freaking muffins. And I try to get multiple things of muffins at a time because I don't like Walmart. And I feel bougie saying that, but I really just like Walmart. Just because. I always like to make sure that I spend time organizing and cleaning the spaces in my home, particularly my bathroom. I, of course, always like a tidy space, but you know, when you are on the weekend, you can get a little lackadaisical. So I just always want to straighten up, cleanse everything, make sure that everything is good to go for the week, that I have all of my skincare products, toiletries, toothpaste, all of the whatnots that I need for the week are where they need to be, because I really just think that that is critical important. And then I go into my closet. My closet isn't usually messy. I know it looked messy, but it really wasn't. Putting back all my shoes. I have like a ton of tennis shoes for working out. I don't even wear tennis shoes, but like for working out, I have tons. Of course, just picking up any clothes that I had out for the week. And I always pick out my clothes for the next day, the day before. I pick out my shoes, I pick out my accessories, and my productive after work video goes into this specifically, so go check that out if you haven't. And I just like to make sure that I am good to go for the week. I love closing out Sunday with taking care of my skin, and I always exfoliate with my skin. I have sensitive skin, so I can't do it all of the time, but I really take my time on Sundays with my skin before I jump into the shower and make sure that I exfoliate everything. Y'all, I would highly recommend Canva's Warehouse Body Glazes. They're on TikTok, but they are actually phenomenal. I can't even lie. And then to finish off my skincare routine, I always like to tone. I use a Butterpar skin tone or skin products. I've been using those for a while. And I don't have perfect skin, but I don't really have problematic skin. My mother had amazing skin, so I always thrive to be where her skin was. This is the Kapari moisturizer. I tried this on a whim one time in Ulta, and I've never gone back. It is thick, it is moisturizing, especially if you have dry skin like I do. And then I top it off with a little eye cream, which I do this every evening. There's one thing that I could change about my skin, it would be the under eye area. But hey, it is what it is. And I like to kind of close out my Sunday evening sometimes with a little beverage.
No se levantó como quería, pero ya. What do you want? You want ribeye or you want filet?
Whatever you have.
Why don't we get a little bit of both?
Okay. Babe, come so we can sing happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday! Deme más carne. Of course, I like to have a pristine kitchen before I finally lay it down and I light a candle to close out my Sunday. Look, whatever your reset is, the bottom line is make sure you're pouring it back into yourself so that you can celebrate your life with those that you love.